Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments to check out this video. Now I'm doing this video for my YouTube channel, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and other social media sites as well. And in this video, I want to feature one of my health and wellness products as well as one of my gift and favorite things products. So I've got some really great things I want to share with you. So stay with me for the next few moments, okay? Okay, so here we are, and the product is Cellvida, and this is an amazing health and wellness product, okay? It is a liquid nutraceutical supplement that provides superior absorption over hard to swallow pills. Okay, it contains no artificial flavors or colors, and its all natural berry taste is derived from 9,000 milligrams of whole fruits and berry extracts. All right. Now, it includes elderberry, maki berry, goji, cranberry, pomegranate, aronia berry, and several other berries and extracts to provide you with a broad spectrum of antioxidants designed to help protect against free radical damage throughout the body. Okay, and it also contains essential vitamins and minerals. Its full spectrum fulvic trace mineral complex is loaded with, again, superfruit antioxidants. And let me see what else I want to share with you. Okay, yeah, just drinking 1 ounce daily is going to provide you with the essential vitamins, minerals, trace minerals, and antioxidants to support cellular health and energy. Okay, and so I will leave a link. And as a matter of fact, the one link that I'm going to leave is going to take you everywhere you need to go. Okay, so with that being said, let's get on to our gift and favorite things product for this video. Okay, now for my gift and favorite things product, I'm introducing this 0.90 carat natural diamond solitaire pendant, and you can get this in either white or yellow gold. Okay, so let's see if I can get a closer look. Isn't that beautiful? And the gold is 14 karat. Okay, and again, you can get it in white or yellow. You get an 18-inch necklace. Beautiful diamond. Okay, natural diamond. Okay. Another look, another view. Just a beautiful piece of jewelry. A great gift for that special person in your life. This is a women's classic pendant. Okay. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave information, of course, in the description area of this video. And for anything that we've shared in this video, you can grab it with the one link that I'm going to leave there. Okay, but there you have it, everybody, and I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye bye now.